It is not hard to find out how to link or import a CAD drawing into Revit. But did you link your CAD file to Revit in the right way? Did you clean your CAD file before you bring it into Revit? In today's video, I will show you how I link CAD file in Revit. First, let's discuss if we should link or import CAD drawings. I always go with link option. It gives me option to reload my CAD file if I want to make any changes to the CAD file. I only use import CAD file if I know I'm not going to make any changes to that CAD drawings. So my advice is always link your CAD file. There are a few things I do before I link the CAD file. Step 1. First, you need to clean your CAD drawings, organize CAD layers before link it in Revit. Each project, architect receive many different CAD drawings from other consultant like land surveyor, structural, civil engineer, and sometimes sketch CAD drawings from other architect. Each of these consultant had their own way to drawing in AutoCAD. And of course their CAD drawings will have many different layers. Take a land survey plans for an example. You can see there hundred of layer in the drawing. When you link this file in Revit, these layers will also appear in Revit. It will be hard for us to control the visibility of these layers if there is too many of them. So what I often do is just clean it so it will only have few layers. So when I link the CAD file in Revit, I can manage the layer easier. Example with this surveyor CAD plans, I clean the CAD file and only have 2 layer, surrounding layer and existing house layer. As I will demolish the existing house, when I link in the CAD drawings. In Revit can just go to the visibility, take the existing box to hide it and start sketching my new design. Other example, I received this house design from an architect. In the CAD plan, I will just have 2 layer, ground floor and first floor. When I link in the CAD file, on the ground floor, I can turn on the ground floor layer, to draw my ground floor wall. Copy the CAD file to first floor plan view in Revit, turn off ground layer, turn on first floor layer and start draw first floor wall. By only have few CAD layers, it keep my Revit file clean, easy to work with the CAD file. Step 2. Delete any unnecessary items, line in CAD file. What in the CAD file you don't want to see in Revit, just delete it. You want make sure you only link in what you need, so make sure your CAD file doesn't has any line be 200, 300 meter from center. In CAD, just click zoom extend to check, delete any unnecessary element. Step 3. In your CAD file make sure to set your proxy graphic to 1, or save your CAD file as 2007 copy. And also just check what is your CAD file unit as well. Now we are ready to link the CAD file to Revit. Go to the plan view you want to link your CAD file to. Go to your Revit Insert tab, click the link CAD icon, a window will pop up. Browse and find the CAD file. Unless you want your CAD file to appear in all view and in 3D view, otherwise just tick the appear in the current view only. Color will be preserved layer and level, we want to show all. Our CAD unit is meter, so the import unit will be meter as well. Position, center to center. And last step, make sure to untick the box, the correct line that are slightly off axis. If you click this box, Revit will automatically correct CAD file which might create problem later on. I had this problem for one of my project, we got permit to build 3 townhouse and ready to build. Before the construction start, the surveyor called me and asked why the title boundary is 25 mm less. We went back to check the drawings. I found that dimension in the survey CAD file is correct. But because we ticked this correct line box when linked the CAD file, Revit corrected the CAD file, hence the mistake happens, we had to go back to council to amend our permit. The whole project got delayed by 1 month. Advice is never change consultant drawings, you don't want to be the one be responsible for any of the error you found on the drawings. So now just click open to link in your CAD file. If you make changes to the CAD file, just go to Manage Link, reload the CAD file to get the updated CAD plans. Go Manage tab, click Manage Link, under CAD format, select your CAD file and click Reload. If you saved your CAD file to other location, just click Load From and select the new location. And that is how I link the CAD plans in Revit. I hope you guys learned some good tip and tricks from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out any of my next video. Bye for now and I will see you in my next video.